राजधानी लखनऊ में केमिस्ट्री एवं लैब मेडिसिन प्रैक्टिशनर्स की ओर से मेरिट कंपनी के डायरेक्टर व एम्प्लॉयर्स के साथ में विचार विमर्श का आयोजन किया गया। इस दौरान मीडिया से बात करते हुए लैब डायग्नोस्टिक्स से जुड़ी तकनीक, नवीन तकनीकों, गुणवत्ता मानकों, मेडिकल उपकरणों में हो रहे नवीनीकरण तथा मरीजों को बेहतर और सटीक जांच सुविधा उपलब्ध कराने जैसे अहम मुद्दों पर चर्चा हुई। बैठक में प्रैक्टिशनर्स के जमीनी स्तर पर आ रही चुनौतियों को सामने रखा। वहीं मेरिल के जो एम्प्लॉयर्स हैं, आधुनिक मेडिकल टेक्नोलॉजी, स्वदेशी उपकरणों के महत्व और भविष्य की योजनाओं पर विस्तार से जानकारी दी। 30 जनवरी से लेकर 2 फरवरी तक चलने वाले इस सेमिनार में गुणवत्ता सुधार और सशक्तिकरण की दिशा में एक महत्वपूर्ण कदम ये माना जा रहा है।
नमस्कार, मैं सब मौजूद हूँ लखनऊ के वाजपेयी कन्वेंशन सेंटर में, जहाँ पे 3 दिवसीय ACC LNU का एग्जीबिशन आपकी है। इसमें सर आपकी उपस्थिति, अपनी कंपनी का नाम, परिचय देते वही क्या खास है, इनोवेशन न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी में क्या
Basically, Marine Diagnostics comes under the umbrella of the Marine Life Sciences. We are the WAPI-based organization, and we have initiated or started this organization with the one single line agenda that medical devices should be made in India and available in the world. Under that concept, we have started this venture, and we came out in diagnostics in year 2013. And we have almost completed 12 years in diagnostics. Now I can say with the proud that we are the largest manufacturer of so many instruments, reagents, rapids in India and selling it to the world. Our journey so far is very, very encouraging. Actually, diagnostics since started with a very small thing as available. Our operations are available in 100 countries around the world. And most of the instruments we are manufacturing in India and selling into the world. And as far as if you will ask me under what segment we are available, so we are available in all semi-automatic biochemistry instrument, then fully automatic. Then we have a hematology where we have a 3-part, 5-part. Then we have a basically PCT contact instrument is available with us. Apart from that, we are having a complete range of reagents for hematology, for biochemistry, which we are manufacturing in India only. And apart from that, we have a complete range of rapid. And under rapid, actually, we have our flagship banks and water. Apart from that, we have a complete range of triple H, syphilis, dengue, malaria, and kind of whatever things are required for doing any kind of blood testing, we are available in that sector. Our corporate office is at Guwahati, national office is at Bombay, and apart from that, we are having all the basically state offices in almost all the states. Apart from that, we are a very strong company in teaching or upgrading doctors, whether it is cardiology, orthopedic, or whether it is diagnostics or surgical devices. That's the reason we are having our own leadership academy situated in Guwahati, which is the largest leadership academy in the country. Where throughout the world doctors are coming and doing hands-on surgery and doing certification course. And that leadership academy is accredited by most of the national and international bodies. Apart from that, last year, what we have done, we have had 5 leadership academy in the country. Like in Delhi, we have a, in Aero City, we have a leadership academy. Apart from that, we have a leadership academy in Chennai. Then we have a leadership academy in Swansea and the other parts of the country. And we are planning about 7-8 more leadership academies in the next 1 year time. So almost there will be 12 leadership academies in the world after that. This is all about marriage, and this is our presence in the market. Thank you very much. I am Chinditbal Baba. I am working as a business head for married diagnostics.
Zonal sales manager based at Lucknow, helping offer entire UPN.
सर जो खास इसमें टेक्नोलॉजी में क्या खास है इसमें मशीन?
खास ये है कि हम लोग मेट्रो की डील करते हैं, इसमें कंप्लीट CPC होता है, मतलब RBC हम लोग काउंट करते 3-part and 5-part body instruments, big size instruments available. And fully automatic system, clinical tests like LFT, KFT, electric, CPC, 100 tolerant to automation is able to biopsy available now. Then ELISA may know complete infertility, cancer markers, and thyroid risk. And complete rapid scars available in research.
आपकी उपस्थिति है वेरी कन्वेंशन सेंटर में 3 डेज सेमिनार है, क्या कहना चाहेंगे सब?
Actually, you whatever stocks and I see, it's basically belongs to ICU. However, IBD industry is very much growing up, especially Indian companies are growing up because of this work in India. And we are the company where we are totally almost 80-85% depend on when making Indian product, Indian products. We are not much dependent on product from outside. So it's a very good initiative by our master government out there. Our company is also following the road. So every each and every Indian company is going. We are also going. It's a very good simulation for us.